Hey there, business builders. Are you ready to unlock the secret to building strong business credit in just 30 days? Whether you're in Canada or the USA, this step-by-step guide will help you set the foundation for your business's financial success. Stick around till the end because we've packed the video description with valuable resources to take your business credit journey to the next level. From recommended tools to links for setting up your credit profile, everything you need is just one click away. Let's dive in. Strong business credit helps you secure financing, negotiate better supplier terms, and lower interest rates. Plus, it keeps your personal credit separate, which is crucial in both Canada and the USA. The first step is to register your business. Canadian entrepreneurs can visit Corporations Canada or their provincial registry. U.S. business owners need to register with their state and get an EIN from the IRS. This step creates your business's unique identity. Next, separate your business and personal finances by opening a business bank account. Banks like RBC, TD, or Chase make this easy and offer tailored business solutions. Vendors can help you build credit if they report your payment history. Pay on time or early to establish a positive credit record. Start with companies like Uline that work with new businesses. Now, apply for a business credit card. Many options cater to startups. In Canada, RBC and BMO have great cards. In the USA, check out Capital One Spark. Finally, regularly monitor your business credit. In Canada, use Equifax Canada. In the USA, NAV provides a free business credit summary. And there you have it. Everything you need to build strong business credit in just 30 days. Whether you're in Canada or the USA, these steps will set you on the path to financial success and more opportunities for your business. But don't stop here. Be sure to check out the video description below for valuable resources to help you continue your journey. You'll find links to the best credit building tools, additional guides, and everything you need to keep growing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow entrepreneur, and subscribe for more tips to boost your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.